they were very used to people showing up to try to do lunch and learns. I mean, they're booked out all the way through next year, some of these people.
Yeah, a lot of unskillful salespeople out there. So that's why I wanted you to sound a little bit different, because they're at a point now where they're like, Wednesdays is free lunch Wednesday, right? That's where we have the SEO guy this week. And it's just now they've got this whole thing. Hey guys, you got to let this person talk. You don't have to pay attention to them. And they're going to bring Chipotle. Can we bring the SEO person back? He did Panda Express. I love that Panda Express. It's good stuff, right? So I just don't want you to be in that box. You work in sales and I'm going to give you $300. I'm not kidding. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective coaching in the world for sales professionals like you. And right here, right now, for a few of you, I'm going to pay the $300 for you to get the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more. You're going to have more fun. You're going to get a lot more done in your career. Click the link right here, right now. I will give you my closing mini masterclass for free. I'm covering the $300 cost. Click now. I'll see you on the other side.